Hello, I am Naneshwar. In this tutorial, we learn about tire modeling by using wrap and toroidal bend command. See this video carefully and learn tire modeling in creo parametric. So let's start. First of all, create a rectangle like that, and next on this rectangle also extrude parallelogram type rectangle like this. So create a pattern of this rectangle, and next create an mirror image of this grip section like this. It show like that. So then by using wrap command, first of all we have to give plane on both end of the rectangle. We give the plane on both sides, here and here. And next command is wrapping. By using wrap command from editing, we have to bend this. So next, by using toroidal command, we give the shape of tire. Toroidal command in engineering section. This is toroidal command. So we have to create tire by using wrap and toroidal bend command. So please subscribe my channel for other new tutorials. So thank you.